Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So as by this diagram, you all can understand what we gonna be, learning today. Learning is not learning just about, from your books and all. It's about learning from your environment. Learning not from your book, but outside your book. So today we're going to be learning something new that's not for grade. That's applicable for any grade. If you're grade 3, if you're grade 2, if you're, grade 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. It does not matter. Today we're just gonna be learning something new. That is about our respiratory system. You all know that a human body is very complex. We have different systems, like we have the digestive system, we have the respiratory system, we have the circulatory system about your heart and all. You have your skeletal, you have so many systems, right? Out of which today we're gonna be doing our dear respiratory systems. Okay, so let's begin with the respiratory system. So first of all, let's start with what is respiration. If I define respiration, respiration is a process in which when you take in air, मतलब जब आप air अंदर लेते हो, you get, your body prepares energy from that. How? It converts this air, your oxygen, into glucose, and this glucose gives you energy in the form of how do I write here? ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so this is your respiration. This respiration was a scientific respiration explanation. If I talk about simple respiration in simple language, respiration का मतलब होता है सांस लेना, right? So yeah, respiration basically means breathing in simple terms. Okay, so now let's read about the human respiratory system, everyone. If we talk that now human respiratory system, our main organ of breathing or respiratory are lungs. And if these lungs are not working in a human body, human cannot survive. These days, coronavirus is going on, right? What is coronavirus, guys? It is a disease which spreads in your lungs. This disease goes into your lungs and it goes in your lung alveoli, and it does not allows them to, it goes into your lung alveoli. This coronavirus goes in your lungs alveoli, and it does not allow your alveoli to, fill in air. This causes you not to breathe in and out, means you are not able to breathe. That is why people die. Basically, जिन भी लोगों को कोरोना होता है, their lungs have this great problem. What happens is कि इनके lungs में जाकर इनकी जो alveoli है वो air in and out नहीं कर पाती हैं, इसलिए आपका lung air in and out नहीं कर पाता. Means you are not able to breathe. And if you're not able to breathe, how are you going to survive? Right? So lungs are very important for a human being. Right? Same is for the heart. Today let's do the lung topic. Okay, so as you all can see, this is your whole respiratory system. Beginning up with your nasal cavity. So how does the air go? Let's talk in detail. See now. This is your nasal cavity. Okay, nasal, you can say this as nasal cavity, means your nose. You take in air, they have some hair or something like to purify the air. You take in clean air, it goes here. This is your larynx. Larynx is also your voice box. Okay, आपका voice box is your larynx. Then you have your trachea. Trachea, everyone, this trachea is your windpipe. Okay, trachea is your windpipe. Then this trachea, this hole is trachea. then this trachea gets divided into two parts. Okay, so now this division, this thing, is known as your bronchus. Wait, let me be very specified and let me be very clean. This thing is your bronchus. Okay, bronchus is a tree-like structure that divides your lungs into two, your right lung and your left lung. Your right lung and your left lung. Yeah, left lung and right lung. Now, inside your lung, see here everyone, you have these tubes like structure, right? ऐसा कुछ रूट लाइक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है जिनके साथ ऐसा कुछ बलून लाइक थिंग अटैच्ड है, राइट? यू ऑल कैन सी दिस थिंग. अब आप इफ़ यू विल सी ओवर हियर, देन दिस जो आपकी ये पाइप टाइप है, ये होती है ब्रोंकियोल्स. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ ब्रोंकियोल. Bronchioles. Okay, so these bronchioles are your these thing, you know, root like thing, thread like thing inside your lungs, and attached to this you have your air sacs. एयर के सैक टाइप होते हैं, मतलब एयर के छोटे छोटे बलून टाइप स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, बलून टाइप होते हैं छोटे 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 एयर के. That's called your alveoli. Okay, alveoli. Where is it? Alveoli. And जो मैं बात कर रही थी about coronavirus, it's the same. This virus enters into your alveoli. The function of basically alveoli is that this alveoli means your balloon-like structure. It blows and it deblows. You know, like it inflates and it deflates like a balloon. Right? In balloon, if you will put in air, it will inflate, but if you will take out the air, it will deflate, everyone. Right? So same is the case with alveoli. So then you obviously, after this whole completely, you will say this as your right lung, this as your left lung. After that, niche you have your diaphragm. What do you have? Diaphragm. Now system एक opposite होता है. When you inhale, मतलब when you take air in, okay, this diaphragm moves downwards. When you take in air, okay, you take in air, no, just a minute, let me, yeah, जब आप air लेते हो बाहर से, this diaphragm moves downward. If you're moving this, it'll move downwards. If you're moving upward, it'll move down. Okay, when you inhale, this moves downwards, but when you exhale, जब आप बाहर निकालते हो air, then what happens? This shrinks. This comes like that, comes close, so that this whole lung, this whole contracts. It contracts, and you are able to exhale the air. So when you are inhaling the air, then what happens? Yes, the diaphragm moves down, but when you are exhaling, diaphragm moves upwards. Okay, this was your whole respiratory system, everyone. Okay, this was your whole respiratory system. I hope it is clear to everyone here. Okay, my next video would be on the working of a human heart. Okay, please do watch that, everyone, and please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.